morning, viewers. We are here in Petron, first Petron station in NLEX, and I will gas up before we go to Aling Lusings in Angeles, Pampanga, the one and the original Aling Lusings. So big bikes. Lambo.
A few minutes later. A few moments later.
Okay, ready? San Fernando exit. Pick up a friend. Then go to Aling Lusings in Angeles. So before that, let's see how fast this Renaissance can go. We'll try to speed up. Let's try to speed up. NLEX, we're coming off Petron station KM42. It's probably 2 gas stations away from San Fernando. There we go, speed up. Follow Noel. had to stop a little because there's a fucking patrol. Ayaw mahuli. Wow. Usually when I pass here, when I go to Pradera Verde in Lubao, Pampanga, this place is always in heavy traffic. Fortunately for us, there's no traffic inside. It's very light. Even though it's Sunday morning, this should be heavy traffic. All because of that. So we're running around 100, and we'll probably open it up later once we get to that long green stretch. We can do it. I think so. I was able to do 200 from the NLEX entrance until KM42. However, much to my dismay, the fucking camera was turned off. I thought it was turned on, but it was off. Sayang opportunity. It's fucking scary. 200 kilometers. It's fucking scary. Oh man, this feels good. The NLEX road feels so much better than the SLEX. SLEX is a lot of random small potholes. Give you a bump, give you a hop. Here it's smooth. No, with the occasional bump, but it's smooth compared to SLEX. Much more if it's D-Flex. Oh man, that road is so drowsy. It's so smooth. You don't know that you're speeding up. You've hit 140 and you still feel sleepy. That's how smooth D-Flex is. I'm not sure if I can hit 200 here. Let's try it out. Total gas station. This is the last gas station before exiting San Fernando. Gutom na ako. Aling Lusings, we're coming for you. The original, the champion, the OG sisig Aling Lusings. It's been a while since I ate there. This was the stretch I was hoping to have by myself, but it's full of cars. So no. 100. And we're almost there. Alright. Let's go. Angkas ka?
Wala ano? Footpath yan.
Oh, yung lalagyan dito?
Wala.
Nakatakot lang sakyan.
Masasanay ka din. Nakakatakot lang sa una.
Sitig na yun yan?
Hindi pa.
Ay, ganun pa pala.
Ayan, secure na yan.
Oh,
Okay.
Bye!
Bye-bye.